Good morning. It's Monday, and I've started working on the John Deere 19.5 engine. I've got a couple of oil seals to put in, and I've been watching some of the YouTube videos on how to do this. Been very helpful, and I just want to show you. This is the front end. I've taken off the front clip, the hood, and I've been working on putting the parts from the John Deere motor, getting it all removed, and I will continue to do that till I lift the motor out and flip it over. And I hope you have a wonderful day.